Hi everybody, this is Henrik from Carpet Pro Cleaning. Welcome to another video. On this occasion, Worcester, domestic carpet cleaning, week before Christmas. Carpets are notorious for becoming a home for dust, bacteria, and allergens. If you, or anyone else in your household is susceptible to breathing problems, these particles can increase, or even lead to illnesses such as asthma and allergies, especially in children and the elderly. Aside from regular vacuuming and spot cleaning, it is equally as important to have your carpet professionally cleaned. If you want to find out more about benefits of professional carpet cleaning, please visit our website.
Right, all done.